now because I'm gonna be doing a video right now.
Compete. Where is Yasa? Oh, there you are. Much taller than you. Can we go now?
Let's go. Let me take a picture of this first. I'm just wasting my time for nothing. Let me just let me just go there. Oh!
I thought Hello Kitty can't fart, but why is she farting?
I know they don't have any buttholes. Like one video, like Japan literally had so many.
But only, who's that
buttholes.
again? Pampampurin?
Pampampurin, you forgot.
Pampampurin.
Sorry guys for the interrupt. So just
Bro, how did you go so fast? I'm glitching and slow.
cause your phone is so glitchy and old. Sorry.
Because my brother break this phone.
Sorry
first.
for.
I was putting it here.
Let me take a picture of just nothing. I'm just wasting my time of like some non-stuff. Stuff.
I'm getting ahead from you. Come on, you have to go with me. Or else.
Hardly, but I'm first.
Just wait.
Let's have a race.
I
okay?
can have a video. I'm with what?
Ugh. I'll just stop wasting your time of copying me making videos or live.
But I'm using
Ugh.
Atarians.
Yeah, you're using our sister's account. It's not that hard, bro. I just bought the glitch stick.
What? You cannot use my account. You don't know my. You only know half of my name, but not my number. Yeah. So how to get out?
She might teleport. Wait, she didn't teleport at all.
No.
Come on. Okay. What is back? Oh, I got caught. Why did I even? My character
go to
fell.
Berry?
Hello
Let's just
Kitty
go
just
there.
catched me. Okay.
Because.
This is quite nonsense.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What?
I disconnected. I got disconnected. Let's rejoin the game.
Bro, I was really recording. Bro.
Yeah, me
Ano
too.
ba yan, guys?
Sorry for the interrupt, guys. So,
Bro.
magjo-join lang kami. Magjo-join lang.
You leave, I will just.
Mag-leave ako.
Let's play Brookhaven instead.
Sige, Brookhaven na lang.
Are you still recording?
Uy, nasan yung Brookhaven? Dito.
Oh.
Uy, dito. Kala ko, nawala.
I thought they were kiss. One of my classmates kissed together.
Oh my gosh.
They're both boys. Ano ba yan?
Sorry guys.
Bubusit na